Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be introducing you to SolidWorks, one of the most powerful 3D CAD tools used by engineers and designers worldwide. Whether you're new to CAD or you're curious about what SolidWorks can do, this is video for you. So stay with me. So you can ask yourself, what is SolidWorks? So SolidWorks, this is a computer-aided design software used for 3D modeling, simulations, and product design. SolidWorks, it was developed by Dassault Systems and it widely used in industries such as mechanical, automotive, aerospace, and even product development. So with SolidWorks, you can create a part, which is simple and complex 3D models. You can create assemblies. You can create drawings, which used to generate 2D engineering drawings for manufacturing or for production. Uh, Let us assume you want to send a CAD file to someone who is far away from your workshop, or you want to create a part which is in China, in India, whether in Nigeria, in Kenya, in Tanzania. So you will need to send a detailed drawing. So for that case, you will use drawings. So what are the key features in SolidWorks? First of all, SolidWorks is user-friendly. It has user-friendly interface because it has been designed for ease of use, even for beginners. But SolidWorks also it has simulation tools that can analyze stress, strain, thermal properties, and more and more to ensure your design are functional and safe. But SolidWorks it has intensive libraries that you can access a vast of library to pre-made parts, fastener, and materials like you can find some models that has been created like we have bearing, we have bolts and nuts, and so many others. So let us start begin with SolidWorks. Right now, this is my window desktop. I'm going to open, double click SolidWorks software and wait for it to open for some times. Please guys, like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you'll be able to get notification whenever there will be a new videos. Okay, so this is part, assembly, and drawing. In SolidWorks, before doing assembly or before creating a drawings, we have to create a part. So open part. In SolidWorks, you need to set out dimension. In which dimension will be working. So now I'm working on millimeter. So click here. You will find different unit system. We have MKS, which is meter, kilogram, and second. We have CGS, which is centimeter, gram, and second. We have millimeter, gram, and second, and we have IPS system. So click millimeter since I'll be working on millimeter. And then we have this is user interface. We have main toolbar. This is main toolbar at the top. You'll find the toolbar if you want different command. Like if I'll go to sketch, then I'll find some sketch tools. Here I have standard views. Here I have tool which if I want to save my model. And then on the left side, I have feature manager designing tree. So this is designing tree. All of the history that I'll be drawing here, it will be shown at the designing tree. But also I have graphics area. This is a graphics area, or we can say this is a working space. And we also have command manager. Command manager here at the bottom, we'll be having command prompt, and also we have command search. If you want to search for any, let's say you want to search a line, you can type it a line here. You can type any command that you want. Let's say line. Here it will come. Make collinear, make spline, make midpoint. Yeah, so let us start with the basic sketching part. So if I want to start a sketch, I will start to sketch a 2D. First of all, I need to select a plane. So we have three planes. We have front plane, we have top plane, we have right plane. So select front plane, select sketch, select these are the sketching tools. So you can start sketching a line starting from here. Say select, give it dimension. Mind you guys, we're working on millimeters, so let's say give it dimension of 100 millimeters. Say okay. You can select rectangle. So we have multiple for rectangle. Here we have corner rectangle, we have center rectangle, we have 3-point corner rectangle, and so many others. So select a center rectangle. You can draw like this. Say select, give it dimension, give it width, say 100 millimeter, and length, say 120 millimeters. Say okay. So these are the simple sketch. Here we have cycle. You can select cycle, give it dimension, say 130 millimeter diameter. Okay. So we will be using some features. Let me delete this. If you want to delete all, you have to select, click delete button. Okay. Select front plane again. Say sketch, front plane, sketch, or let us sketch a simple 3D object. I'm going to select cycle, give it dimension, give it 600 millimeters. Say okay. Go to feature, say extrude boss. Extrude boss, it will give a 3D object. Select extrude length, give it 100 millimeter. We'll have an object like this. So this is 3D object, a cylindrical object. Okay. So let us guys, if I want to make a pipe, I will select this face, and then sketch, select cycle, a pipe with 4 millimeter thickness. Give it dimension, give it 4. Oh, sorry. Give it the diameter. It was 600 millimeters, so we have to give it 594 millimeters. Say okay. Good feature. Here we have to extrude cut because we want to remove this the middle part. So go to extrude cut. Say okay. So here is our pipe, cylindrical pipe. Okay. So if you want to save, go here, file, click save. Yeah, select a folder that you want to save. Or like this PC. I'm gonna save here. I'm gonna save here. Let's say part one. Right. Okay. Now let us create some more features. Some more 3D features. I'm gonna delete this. So we have done two commands. The first one was boss extrude. The second one was cut extrude. So this is a designing tree. All of the history that has been done here, it will be showing at the designing tree. I don't need to delete if I have made a mistake. I don't need to delete, but I need to edit. So if I want to edit feature, I can right click here, and go here, edit feature, and then edit maybe length. I can give it 200. Say okay. Now the extrude, because I have done the edit in extrude cut. So my extrude cut now it is 200 from this point to this point. You can say extrude, I can give 100 and say okay. Again, you can do edit feature here, give it 100, say okay. So now our pipe has been reduced to 100 meter length. Okay, let's try to create another model. I'm going to delete this. Simply say yes. Now we have this feature. Click edit sketch. Say delete. Yes. Okay. Now let's select the top plane. Sketch. We'll be using some more features because we have used extrude boss. We have used extrude cut. Now I'll be using some fillets, linear pattern. So I'm giving you random dimensions. So let's say this is 300 millimeter. Say okay. Okay. And then you can say extrude boss, give it extrude boss of 30 millimeter. Now we have this part. Uh, what I want to create, you can create numbers of holes. Say here, say sketch, select. I want to create a hole here. Give it a dimension as 12 millimeter, and then dimension from circle to the center. Give it 135 millimeter. Okay, so now let us go to feature, extrude cut, extrude. Here it is shown blind. We can say through all. Say okay. Now we have this through hole. It has been extruded in both side of my 3D object. Okay. So I want to make a numbers of hole throughout this cycle. Let's say I want to make 8 or 10. So what are we going to use? It's linear. We have linear pattern and we have circular pattern. Since we are working in circumferential, then we have to select circular pattern. Come here, give it normal. Select direction. The direction should be around this circular path. So now the numbers it is 12. So you can minimize it 10 as per your requirement. You can give it 10, then say okay. So see now I've created a hole throughout in this 3D object. Okay. So now you can create sketch. Select this plane, select sketch, select cycle, select dimension, give it 100. Then extrude, give it extrude maybe 150 millimeter. Then say okay. Now we have this object. This is our 3D object. Okay, now I can create, let's edit this sketch, give it 150. Now it will be a little bit bigger. Then say exit sketch. Okay, now our part looks like this. And I can create a hole. If you want to create a hole here, select face, sketch, select cycle, uh, select cycle, give it dimension, smart dimension, uh, give it 8. Then feature, extrude cut, give it through all. Say okay. Now I have this part. Now, if I want to make these round corners to be round corners, I have to use fillet. So select, go here to fillet, select fillet edge, select where you want to fillet. You can set up dimension. This is 10. Now click here, radius is 10. Say okay. See, now my model become like this. Also, I can use chamfer. Go here, use chamfer, select where you want to chamfer, click this edge, it will show you a preview, then say okay. Now we have part like this. Okay, so this is my 3D model that I have created by using different features and different command. Okay, so SolidWorks in little word, the main application we can use in mechanical components like gears and machine parts and different parts. But we can also use in vehicles, including cars, airplanes, and ships, to generate different components and different objects. So, guys, thank you for watching this introduction to SolidWorks. I hope you are excited and dive deeper in these amazing tools. In upcoming videos, in upcoming videos, uh, we'll be explore advanced topics like assembly, designing, simulations, and even 3D rendering. Yeah, rendering, visualizations. Uh, Here you can find some history models. We have assembly. We have drawing. So we'll get to know one by one in more upcoming videos. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. And also let me know if in the comment if there is a specific SolidWorks topic you would like me to cover in the next video. See you in the next video. Ciao.